Hello everyone, today install the 603L series from ForePythoncn, and the after-sales service was very good. First you need to install ForePython. The assembly is very simple. Then there are ForePythons. You can knock it down with the included hammer. It's recommended to install, yet when you don't disturb others. You can also press it in hard, if it will disturb other people. You can press it in hard. It will take a little effort, but it is possible. It would be easier to knock it in with a hammer. This is the effect of the completed assembly. ForePythonCn has also upgraded the slide rail, which is very small to use and provides a very good user experience. Finally, I look forward to your updates and attention.